Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today we're going to have a look at 6 ways to say very in French. So we'll have 2 standard ways and 4 colloquial or slang ways. Now let's start with the standard ways, which are très and vraiment. And in the first example, we're going to use them together. C'est vraiment très bon. It's very, very good. Or it's really good. In the second example, we're going to use très on its own. Cette maison n'est pas très grande. This house isn't very big. And then we'll use vraiment on its own. Le film d'hier n'était vraiment pas intéressant. Yesterday's film was really not interesting. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also take a look at my Parler Français Level 1 and 2 course. It's geared at people who want to learn conversational French at a basic to intermediate level, the fastest possible way. Then we've got drôlement and vachement, which are respectively colloquial and slang French. So vachement is stronger than drôlement. Tu danses drôlement bien. You dance extremely well. Il fait vachement chaud ici. It's bloody hot in here. You see, this is the strength of it. It's in the English, UK English, it's bloody hot. Les maths au collège, c'est vachement difficile. High school maths are pretty difficult. Or bloody difficult, or extremely difficult. Then we've got hyper and méga, which are more of a youth thing. I used to use those two a lot when I was a teenager, and actually I still do, so please don't judge me. For instance, you can say je suis hyper énervé, j'ai perdu mon portable. I am well angry, I lost my mobile phone or my cell phone. La réunion de demain est méga importante. Tomorrow's meeting is hellish important. Ma sœur est hyper intelligente. My sister is awfully clever. So you can actually use hyper and méga in daily conversation because those are not slang. They're just colloquial. But drôlement and vachement, try not to use them at work. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.